Nowadays in our lifestyle, the biggest thing is that we gain too many enemies around us, and these enemies are irritable pain to us. So Janmashtami can be a beautiful time when we can utilize the remedies on Janmashtami and get over these enemies or win over these enemies. What you have to do, you have to just sit with the ingredients. First, the ingredient list is that equal amount of rice and equal amount of black urad dal. Mix it, keep it in a bowl. On the one side, take some water, put some kesar in it. You can take just very small quantity of water, no need of big quantity. Sit in front of Krishnji's idol at the time of birth and chant this mantra. Start chanting it as many times as possible. At least 108 times, beautiful. Chant this mantra and just sprinkle that same water over rice and black urad dal. After finishing your mantra, take that, go out, dig a small hole, bury these rice and black urad dal, thinking about your enemy and asking Krishna ji to get you out of these troubles. Trust me, beautiful thing. And the mantra, I will be putting it either in comments or in the text. You will get it. Do it. 100% working remedy.